Hi, my name is Gloria, and I am here to show you how to do pouching of our reusable medical devices. But first, let's discuss what is sterilization pouching. Sterilization pouching is the process of packing reusable medical devices using a sterilization pouch before going to a sterilizer. This is made up of porous material and laminate. It contains process indicator which helps distinguish between processed and unprocessed products. This is single use or we call it disposable. The benefits of using sterilization pouching is to allow sterilization, maintain sterility, enable aseptic presentation of packed medical device, safe and easy handling, and the device is visible. There are two kinds of pouches. We have the pre-cut per specific size and continuous roll or reel form. There are important notes that we need to consider when pouching. There should be no folds, wrinkles, and bubbles because this might affect the integrity of the device. Package should be peeled to no more than 3/4 of their length and minimum of 2 cm empty space should be allowed around each instrument. Sealing temperature shall be in the range of 165 to 200 degrees Celsius for steam and 124 degrees Celsius for low temperature sterilization or BPRO, because at the moment we are using the steam and the low temperature sterilization. So we are using two different materials. And in sterilization, it could be single or double pouching. This information are taken from SteriKing. Now that we know what is sterilization pouching, let's go to my videos and I will show you how to do it in actual. So here are the finished product of low temperature pouching and the steam pouching. Telescope, light handles, double or sometimes multiple device, single device are some example that goes to pouching. So these are the pouch that we're going to use for steam sterilization. We have pre-cut in different sizes, which is easy to use. Remember the process indicator? This is what it looks like. It is built inside the pouch and can be found on the side. This is the real form. We use this to customize according to the size of the device. Our heat sealer is 183 degrees Celsius, so we are within the range. Before we pouch, we have to inspect our device, its cleanliness and functionality, making sure that there's no dry blood, small bones, or any other dirt. It should be 100% clean and functional. If everything is okay, then we will proceed. Another thing to note is the tip protector. If the instrument is sharp, it may damage the pouch, thus compromising the sterility of the device. So, it is advisable to use tip protector to prevent the pouch, and this is how we do it. After checking our device, we will scan it and check the details in our T-Dock. Again, we do our inspection using magnifying lens to make sure that we don't miss anything, including cracks or small broken parts. A thorough check is needed before packing. We make sure that we pack the items together before putting it into the pouch, especially if it is multiple devices. So here we have to put it together. so it's easy for us to put it inside the pouch. When everything is okay, we are ready to create our label. Here, it will tell us whether we will use single or double pouching. In this case, it tells us to do double pouching. We will look for pre-cut pouch to match the size of our device. Remember, package should be peeled to no more than 3/4 of their length and minimum of 2 cm empty space around each instrument. Since we don't have available pre-cut to fit in our device, we will then use our wheel. When measuring the size, it is important to allow extra space for sealing the package. When sealing, look at the arrow orientation. It should be pointing or facing towards the sealant. We have to allot enough space for a flap to which the package can be easily opened. The medical device should be oriented to ensure aseptic presentation, meaning we have to position it according to the pouch for easy removal and maintain sterility. Handle first. Cut the extra pouch with allowance above the sealed portion. It should be smaller to avoid confusion between the opening and the end side. Since this is double pouching, the next pouch that we are going to use should be one size bigger so the first pouch will get through. Again, the same procedure when sealing. Follow the arrow for right orientation. Why do we need double pouching? Double pouching provides an extra layer of protection for microbial contamination. And according to Australia Country Health Service, double pouch may be for sharp materials or items, for heavy instrument, and for the inclusion of 2 or more instruments per package. We will cut again the extra. Remember, the opening is bigger than the end. For label placement, we will put it above the opening portion for easy reading and double checking if the label matches the RMD inside the pouch. And we have finished pouching. We are done and this is ready to go to the next step, which is the sterilization process. Just wanted to show you the built-in process indicator to compare. Light one has not been processed and the darkened one has been processed and been to sterilizer. So there's two to compare. Now that I have shown you how to do pouching in my videos, I hope you learned something about it or at least got an idea on how to do it. Just keep in mind the purpose of our pouching of our medical devices is a very important process because we have to maintain the integrity of the pack and it should be safe when needed. Before we go, we have to remember some important key points when pouching. The seal should be correct and complete, meaning that there should be no hole or space unsealed, and the sealer temperature should be within the range so it can seal completely, and avoid folds or wrinkles or bubbles because it might compromise the integrity of our pack, and this also to avoid any microbial contamination. Use the right size of pouch. Use tip protector for sharp object so it won't damage the pouch. And make sure that before we do pouching, make sure that the device is thoroughly clean and correct. So that's all from me now. I hope you enjoy and thank you for watching my videos.